Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Marshall speaker with your MacBook. So first of all, you have to power on your speaker by holding this gold button. When this indicator lights up, we have to click on this Bluetooth button once. If it is not working, you can just click and hold it also. And right now it starts blinking, so it means that the speaker is in the pairing mode. So right now we just have to go to the Bluetooth settings. Next, go to the Bluetooth section, and below you can find the nearby devices list. There we go. So from this list you just have to select your Marshall speaker and wait until it appears. Okay, for some reason it's not detected by my MacBook. I can already find it in this phone. As you can see, it appears in the first place. So in this case, I can recommend you to quickly restart the Bluetooth settings. So all you have to do is just to power off and power on your Bluetooth. As you can see, after this simple process, we are able to find the speaker on the list. So click on it once. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.